Jimbo's Garage.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Jimbo's Garage. Well, I know I've been a little bit slow on getting videos out for you guys here in the last 2 or 3 weeks, but if my regular viewers know, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that we're preparing for a wedding here. My youngest daughter, Jenna, is getting married to my editor and producer, Dane. They've been dating for about 6 years now. I've been engaged a little over 2, and this wedding has been in the works for about a year or so. So finally the day is coming here next week, and as you can imagine, there's been a lot of preparation that needs to take place for this, since we're going to be hosting it here in our backyard, wedding and reception, and we've got over 120 guests from all over the world coming here. So I just want to take this time and show you guys a few things that I've done here to get prepped for this wedding. And this is why I haven't been able to get a chance to get some other videos out, but looking forward to that. I've got a lot of good content coming for you guys, and so in a couple weeks we'll be back on schedule. So the first thing I had to do here is rip up all the grass that I had here, and then re-prep it and re-sod it, and that's what I've done right here. I've been manicuring this for probably about 2 months now, mowing it just about every day, every other day for sure, and everything is looking pretty good. The next thing is I've gone through the planter areas here, and we've replanted some new foliage in here. Everything looking pretty good, and that is all the way through the whole backyard. Another thing is 700 feet of overhead outdoor lighting. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but there's just a little shot of that. It is over the area, the grass area, over the pool area. There's another shot of the planter area. And the lights just continue to go over the top of everything. And they are ultimately going to be going out in this area here, where these trucks are going to be gone, and this is where the food and the like, and bar and miscellaneous things are going to be out in this area here. So there's a lot going on here, and there has been a lot going on. This next week's going to get kind of busy, and not to mention with all of that, Jenna and Dane decided that it would be a great idea if Dad could make 12 tables instead of renting tables. Well, I've been making tables, and right here I've got 12 tables. They're not yet stained. I'm going to be doing that here today, and we're going to get them stained, get them waterproof. I've got 7 8-foot tables, 5 12-foot or 5 10-foot tables, I should say, and that's going to be enough to accommodate all the guests we have. And not all the while doing all that, but also trying to run a business and trying to fill some orders right here. I've got my inventory is running a little bit low, and I just recently picked up 3 or 4 orders, and I'm scrambling to get a few of these done so I can get these orders out before next week. So anyways, it's just a little update. I'm anxious to get back to my regular schedule and get some good content and good videos out for you guys. Meanwhile, if you follow me on Instagram, I'll be posting some photos of the wedding and the stuff upcoming to that, and any other projects I might be having that are going to come along before the wedding. But the next video will be up sometime next week, and we'll be back on schedule. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you next week.
See you next time on Jimbo's Garage.